Today I'm going to show you how to build a custom agent in Copilot for Excel. Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jelen. Brand new book that just came out, Train Your Own GPT. This covers two things: how to build a custom agent in Copilot and how to build a custom GPT in ChatGPT. Very similar process, almost the exact identical screens that allow you to train these agents to sound and act like you. It's amazing. My goal here is to replace this page that will search the knowledge of all MrExcel YouTube videos, 2,500 YouTube videos. The asset that I have is a 2,500 row Excel file that has video ID, title, description, date published, the URL, number of seconds, which I don't need, and then the entire transcript. This is a lot of data. The sum of the length of all of those is 9 million characters there of transcript, another 9 million characters of description, and 175,000 characters of title. I saved this file to my hard drive and then went out to my SharePoint site and dragged that video library with transcripts for Copilot to SharePoint. And then here I am at m365.cloud.microsoft.chat. Over on the left-hand side, I said create an agent. I'm calling it the MrExcel Video Finder. I give it a little icon there. Type a few keywords in this tool will find matching videos. Instructions, all right? This is it. You're a librarian of a collection of 2,400 YouTube videos about Microsoft Excel. Every row in the knowledge workbook is a video. The user of this agent will give you a concept such as date diff, and you will search the columns for title, description, and transcript. The search should be case insensitive. Present a list of matching videos with title, published date, and URL in a table that can be inserted in Excel. Here I clicked on Cloud, and I was able to choose from my SharePoint and uploaded this. Very interesting. Once I uploaded it, I got a message right here that said, we are still processing this file. It will work better if you wait. And then up here, I did publish. At this point, I would do update. But I'm going to have to turn autosave on to use Copilot. Copilot. Click the little menu here, and a list of agents appears, including there, the agent I just created. Final videos with this keyword, subtotals. Insert a new sheet. This is really amazing. So I gave it a knowledge file and instructions, and right here in Excel over in the task pane, this is no code, right? Just being able to write instructions, a paragraph of instructions, and I now have this amazing thing that I can use in Excel. For the last month, I've been doing nothing other than building custom agents. They help with my YouTube, they help with book writing. It's just amazing. I started working on this book about 2 or 3 weeks ago. There's 9 different recipes there for things that I've done. Check it out, and link down in the YouTube description below. I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.